Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm creating 3 fun Halloween DIYs. All of them are super fun to make and I can't wait to share all of them with you. So let's begin with the video, and also if you enjoy watching today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let's begin with the first DIY. For the first DIY, I made the switches hat, and for that I took felt fabric and glitter foam sheet both in black color, and I cut the felt fabric in circle shape like so. This is going to be the base of the hat that I'm creating for the witch, and the glitter foam sheet that I'm going to use is for the cone part of the hat. So I'm just going to twist the foam sheet to form it into a cone shape and slightly glue it so that it's secure, and then I'm going to cut it and glue it to the circle part of the felt fabric. I cut a small hole in the center of the circle that I created out of felt fabric, and I glued the cone onto the felt fabric from the inside so that it is nicely snug and it doesn't come out. Once the shape of the witch's hat was looking perfect, I started embellishing the hat, and for that I used ribbons and a little bit of fall decor. I folded the ribbons to make bow out of them, and I glued the bow on top of the hat, and along with that I just decorated few more pumpkins. Like I painted them with black acrylic paint, and I did little polka dots on top with gold color. So it basically depends how you want to embellish your hat, and since this was a Halloween theme, so I chose the ribbon that was already having the jack-o'-lantern faces. I created the bow, and I tied the center with the help of a floral wire. You can see how I am doing it here, and I glued it on top of the hat, and slowly I started gluing the embellishments along with the fall leaves. The fall leaves had ghost faces and the fall colors and the Halloween colors. So basically, the entire theme was coming together. I also added the ends of the ribbons, and I cut them into small size and then dovetailed the ends, and I glued it to one corner of the hat. So this is how my hat is coming together. Next, I added some glow in the dark stickers on the hat. So entirely upon your imagination how you would want to decorate it. I wanted to add some monster eyes also to the hat, but I think I was running out of space for my hat, so I thought like let it be. Maybe in the next Halloween decor I'm going to create something with the monster eyes. So yeah, this is how it is looking when I add the dovetailed ribbons. This is how my witchy jack-o'-lantern is coming out, and I put it on top of a jack-o'-lantern made out of glass, so it is actually looking like a jack-o'-lantern's witchy hat. And you can use it to put it outside on your front porch, or you can just put it as a Halloween dinner table centerpiece. I think wherever you put it, it looks great. I really liked how it turned out. I added some fairy lights inside the glass jack-o'-lantern, and this is how it looks when it is completely done. Super cute, super adorable, and really Halloween inspired. Today I'm participating in Heidi Sonboul's DIY challenge hosted by Heidi from the channel Heidi Sonboul DIY. She is an amazing crafter and she has several amazing channels where she shares all her DIY ideas, home improvement ideas, paper crafting, fitness, so many other ideas. And I have linked her channel along with the playlist in the description box. Don't forget to check out all the other creators also. And let's move on to the second DIY. For that, I wanted to make a spider's web wreath. For making the spider web wreath, I took a spider web basket, and along with that I took some florals and pumpkins, and then I started gluing the pumpkins first to the basket. Carefully, I was trying to keep them equidistant and also in place. Next, I started gluing some purple flowers to the basket, and this adds a little bit more fullness to the wreath that I'm trying to create. And finally, for the Halloween touch, I glued a ribbon which had jack o' lantern faces on it, so it completes the whole theme of Halloween here. I started gluing the ribbon on the outer side of the basket. Here you can see that I folded a little portion of the ribbon and I glued it to the basket from the outer side. And again I went ahead and folded some more ribbon and then again I glued it. And here I'm just creating little loops and just gluing it to the outer rim like so. This is relatively easy to understand. I'm not able to show you properly because of the camera in front, and I was just leaning and coming in between. So I'm just folding it one time and just gluing it to the outer side. That's basically what I'm doing, and I'm just covering the entire circumference of the basket. Once the entire basket was covered with the ribbon, I took this lantern in pumpkin shape and I just tied it to the top of the basket like so. I just took some floral wire and just hung the lantern on one side, and it is basically looking like that the lantern is hanging from top of the wreath. I just switched it on, and you can see how cute and beautiful it is looking. I really like how it turned out. You can also just use the basket as a table decor also, and I think it looks great. You can just put some fruits or some Halloween treats, whatever you like, and it looks good both the ways. So it is a wreath and also a basket. For the final DIY, I took a photo frame and I covered it with the help of decoupage. You can use any kind of paper or even popsicle sticks to create the background. Next, I had some Halloween stickers which had some Halloween quotes like trick or treat and others. So I glued them on top of this photo frame, and then I had this wooden ghost image and I glued that also on top, and also a spider sticker also here. And I also painted the ghost with white acrylic paint. I set up everything together, and this is my third DIY also almost ready. This DIY was the quickest and the easiest to make, and I really liked how it turned out. It was so easy to make. So this is all for today. All the 3 DIYs are complete. Let me know which out of the 3 was your favorite, and also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed watching today, click on the bell icon so you don't miss any video that I post. And thanks a lot for watching. I shall see you all very soon in the next DIYs. Bye bye and take care.